Alright, so my GoPro clamp is broken. So what I want to do is, I bought this at Harbor Freight for like $3 or $4, something like that. It's kind of about the same size, but it's metal in here, and it's certainly a heck of a lot stronger. And I don't think these will break, especially holding a GoPro. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this mount off here, and then I want to epoxy it on here. So I got that. I got some epoxy stuff here. We'll see how this stuff works. This is the Harbor Freight Tool brand. I thought it'd be worth trying. And then we'll go there. So what I'm going to do is get a little saw and saw it through. I don't know how much work this is going to be. So here's how I'm going to saw it off. I'm just going to use the bench as a grind. This is actually a hacksaw, but I feel like, well, it's kind of got the right thing. So if I just start sawing, anyways, I can't do this with one hand, so I'll be back. Oh, about 10 seconds. Yeah, not 10 seconds. Maybe 30 seconds later, you can kind of see I'm getting through there. So I'm just going to keep sawing and chop this guy off. And it's off. And as you can see, it's a little crooked, but it's a little crooked, but I'll just sand it down a little bit. But then I should be able to glue this onto here like that. And have a new GoPro mount. We'll see. So this is one of those sponge, you can see it kind of moves, but that's all I'm going to do is just take this and just to kind of give it a little bit more even surface here. Yeah, smooth it out nice. Maybe another minute of it. Feels pretty good. Looking pretty good. Oops. Pick that up. So that looks pretty good overall. I'm not unhappy with that. And then just to sure all the edges are good. I think this is 120 or 140 grit, something like that. It's not great. So probably, well, so I'll have to flip over. Let's take these stickers off. So it's a 2-inch. So in case you were wondering, at Harbor Freight, it's the 2-inch. What do you call? 2-inch clamp. And I don't know where my receipt is. Oh, here it is. Let's see. It was. So the epoxy was $5, and the spring. Oh, the clamps are $2 a pop. Can't beat that. So we'll go with that. So I'm going to go ahead and peel this sticker off, and then we'll give this a quick sanding. We'll go from there. Look what I found. This will be better. Oh, yeah. I'm going to rough that up. Oh, yeah, that's much better. Much better. Let's see how smooth that feels. It's actually kind of rough now. Yeah, that'll work. And then I'm going to use a little more alcohol, wipe it down again. Alright, just wiping it, excuse me, wiping it down with some alcohol. So make sure it's nice and clean. A little residue off, but yeah, it feels pretty much rougher. So now we need to, we'll use the package this came in. Pop that. And if I've done this right, so these are nice. They have the little poppers in them. So see how that's sealed? You can just I don't think I'm going to need a ton of this. It's probably enough. And flip that over. Pop it. There we go. There we go. Now we got it. Oops. That is not what I wanted to do. It's about 50-50. Alright, this is what I'm going to use. A little emery board I found. So we're just going to mix this stuff up. Hi.
Hi, can you film me?
Yes. 1 minute. Alright, I'm going to put some of this up here. Alright, nice and goopy. And I think I'm going to want it this way. And then, let's get some tape. I don't think it'll fall off like that. And we'll let it sit for, I don't know, a couple hours. Come back to it. Should be okay. Alright, so it's been probably 6 hours. Kind of lost track of time. I think this epoxy should be pretty well set up. Go ahead and just loosen a little bit here. Alright. The handle slid off a little. Alright. So I think, so far, let's see. Now, I don't know if I would trust this on like a motorcycle or something, but for my purposes, this is probably going to work pretty good. And like that. Let's see here. If I can snap it in without having to hold it. That should be. It's pretty cool. So yeah, this is the final product. I'm getting into a little more light here, but seems to be holding so far. You can buy these lower mounts. I'm going to do this on the next project, just buy this lower part. I kind of want to make something in a pinch just to have it. But yeah, I think this works pretty well. This spring is a heck of a lot tighter than that. I would not want to put a finger in there, see how it feels, or any other body part for that matter. But yeah, I mean, seems pretty solid. You can see how much epoxy is there. Sort of. Kind of see it there, hopefully. I get a better light. I'm in the garage, it's nighttime now. But a decent amount. So I'm going to call this one a success. Not all my stuff's always going to be a success, but this probably is. I'm going to call it a success. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Oh, you can see my reflection. Thanks for watching. Subscribe or don't like, don't. Press the buttons you should press. I appreciate your subscription. And until next time, thanks for watching. Yes, these are the proper lawn cutting attire. Not really. Oh wait, safety first, everybody.